Hello, Luke Lover here, doing another quickie little video. Thank you for coming. This is Amy. I just gifted Amy my new book, Protonic Speaking. And I was telling her that one of the reasons that I'm gifting the book is that I want to see gifting go more and more into society. I would love for the world to start gifting their true talents and gifts. And one of the reasons that I think that that's important that you gift is because it feels good to gift. People love to receive gifts, and it's another way of being in a world. When you start coming from how can I give, how can I gift, it's another way of being in the world. It's a very energetically positive and vibrationally good thing. That said, with this particular book called Protonic Speaking, I also look at it like this because it's affirmatively positive. It's extremely positive. So what happens is you will be able to create around you a really nice base of positivity. So I'll give you the example of this farmer that 3 years in a row, he won the best crop, and it was a corn crop in the south of France. At any rate, he won the best crop 3 years in a row. So this very investigative reporter was saying, why do you keep winning? And the reason why, he said, well, I've gifted corn to all of my neighboring farms. So they all have the same corn as me. But what people don't realize is that there's something called cross-pollination. And the fact that they don't have the good corn that I gifted them coming into their actual field to cross-pollinate with them means that they just have good corn. But since their good corn is coming into my field with my good corn, it's making great corn. It's cross-pollinating. So I have optimal corn. Cross-pollination is a major key that people don't realize. And it's the same thing with positivity. When you are circling yourself, when you have energy all around you that is completely positive, it's helping to make you even more positive, affirmational, and instrumental and inspiring. And that's what I'm doing with this book, Protonic Speaking. So thank you, Amy. I'm Luke Lover. Thanks for coming to this video, all the other videos. Blessings.